usually the ones that have gone through so much experience and now want to learn, right? They carry with them so much biases in whatever trading behavior that they do. And we call this hermeneutics, and it's in a book called Trading for a Living, Hermeneutics. And a lot of times that we do in trading is based on experience. So if you had no education and you've mostly been learning through experience in the stock market, it's very common for you to use those experience as to identify whether something is a buying opportunity or a selling opportunity, right? And that's where a lot of problems exist for older traders, right? It's because you're using experience to determine what is right and what is wrong, okay? For the young traders who are very, well, coming from a blank slate, there's nothing there yet. It's actually easier for us to train. Now, the reason one, and because of having a blank slate, usually their cup is more empty than somebody who's more seasoned, right? So it's easier to feed in information and put in the right inputs for them to understand what they should be doing from an early stage, right? Because a lot of bad habits, if you continue to do it, are very difficult to reverse, right? As opposed to somebody who has no experience, no bad habits yet, it's easier for them to feed information. So I think that's the benefit of somebody who's coming from no background also and obviously what's important is that what we teach in the 8 weeks is the right inputs, right? So if we're giving them the wrong information, then it's gonna not come to fruition.